Tragedy on anniversary. Oulanyah's father dies as Mourns. Uganda has been struck by a deeply emotional coincidence following the death of Mzee Nathan Okuri, the father of former Speaker Jacob Oulanyah, on the exact anniversary of his son's passing. According to reports, Mzee Okuri died after being rushed to Lajo Hospital with respiratory complications. His death occurred on March 20th, the same day his son Oulanyah died in 2022 while receiving treatment in Seattle, United States. The news has drawn widespread attention across Uganda, with many describing the timing as both heartbreaking and symbolic. Democratic Party President Norbert was among the first national leaders to publicly react, expressing shock and sorrow. This is uncanny. On the 4th anniversary of the death of Speaker Jacob Oulanyah, we have lost his father, Mao said. He added that he had received information from the family indicating that Okuri had been hospitalized days earlier before his condition worsened. Mzee Okuri became known to many Ugandans during his son's burial in Omoro district in 2022, where he openly questioned the official cause of Oulanyah's death.
I am not mourning in vain. I want to state clearly, Jacob was poisoned. He told me, and he was operated. Doctors attempted to deal with the poison. The poison affected his health so badly. By the time he was flown out for treatment, he was not in a position to recover. He was too weak. Mano yina mami mboru unukumundu wenu. Atinuto amwaka mere mekonyo lwapotie. Don't worry, apu. You the mourners, please receive this information from me in good faith. My son has died. He is now gone.
His remarks sparked national debate, with some supporting his call for clarity, while others urged restraint. Jacob Oulanyah, who served as Speaker of Parliament from 2021 until his death, remains a significant figure in Uganda's political history. His leadership and legal expertise earned him respect across political divides. The passing of his father on the same day has added a poignant layer to the family's legacy, rekindling memories of both personal grief and national loss. As tributes continue to pour in, many Ugandans are reflecting on the Oulanyah family's contribution to the country and mourning a moment marked by both remembrance and renewed sorrow.